So here's how to see old Google Maps on your mobile device. And if you want to go to a specific location and see how it looked like back in time, maybe a few years ago. So here's how you can do it. First, you want to open Google Maps and then search for the location that you want to see. So for example, Bali, and we want to search or look for this Ubud place. Now you want to point with your finger to the spot and hold down with your finger. And once this red icon shows up, you want to scroll down a bit. Now you want to minimize this and then click on the street view. If you can see, there is a little box on the top here. Click on it to enter the street view. Now you can simply look at the street. Now you want to come to the bottom and click on see more dates, as you can see. So this current picture is from 12 or 11 months ago. Now click on see more dates and it should show you multiple dates. So for example, July 2023, you can scroll to the right side to see older dates. So for example, February 2015, click on it. And this is how it looked like after or before 10 years ago. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.